some headstand. In this I will show you some variation. See what you have to do. First take your feet little a gap, put your hands little a gap, take it head down, same like a tripod, take it here, then leg straight. Now put your both knee here, take it here. Now slowly come up and here like this, fit together here. Then slowly drop your. Now see, I am not putting my knee here, I am putting my knee little down here like this, here. So in this now you have to lift up your head. If you put your knee here, difficult to lift up your head. So you have to, little knee will be side, then slowly come up here, inhale, take your head up. Okay, I'll show you in this angle. So remember, don't keep your knee here, keep your knee little out, here outside. Because when you keep here, difficult to lift up. I'll show you in this angle. Take it here, head down. See it. First up here, butterfly. Then slowly take a knee here. Now see here, no. Knee little down. Then slowly bend the elbow, look up here. Then slowly exhale, down, again, lift up here. Again, slowly knee down, head up. See, keep bending your elbow. Then again, exhale down, take it up. Okay, now this is little easy. Now I give you one more option that will be little difficult. In that you have to come up and one leg straight. This I will show you in this angle. Here, put it down, same way, take it here. Then take your both leg on your elbow. Then again slowly come up in butterfly. Then slowly rest your leg down on your elbow. Slowly come up. Then in the end, right leg straight and both hands straight. Then again exhale, bend the knee, head down, lift up here. Then again drop your both legs, both knee on the elbow and slowly come up, left leg here. Then again exhale, bend it here and lift up. So this you have to try. 3 right side, 3 left side. So you can try first or second option which you feel comfortable. So now I'm giving you time and I'm also practicing with you all. So you can start your practice. So 3 times right, 3 times left. It means right, left, right, left. This is for the second option. And first option is just exhale down, come up, exhale down, come up. And try to make it your breathing normal, because when you will try to inhale and hold and exhale, hold in this posture, it will make you feel a little uncomfortable. So just take the normal according to you. Okay, so start everyone. I also try with you. So first I will try first option, but you can choose if you feel that first option is easy for you, so you can try the second option. Okay, you can try, practice, take your own time, and if you feel that my video is going faster, you can pause my video, then you can continue again. Take it here and here, slowly up, and I rest my knees on the elbow and slowly come up, look up. Then I will try to stay here for a few seconds. Then I will slowly go down and again take it up. Again I will stay here for a few seconds and slowly take it down. Then slowly look up. Then again slowly I will go down. Take it up. I will hold here for a few seconds. And again slowly take it down. Take it up. Okay. And then, so you can also try, make it 3 times, at least 3 times. Okay, then relax everyone. Sit here like this. Now see, when we are doing this, so our cervical region little compressed, right? So how do you just hold it here and lift up here. Straight, 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 higher. Lift up, push it up. Take it up. Okay. Now next is also from here only. In this from headstand to twisting. See, like this. Again, first I will show you in opposite angle. Take it here, see, head down. Take it up, knee together. Now, twist one side, which side you comfortable. See, first I drop my knees, then I will drop my hip to the elbow. And take it up, right leg up. Then again, head down. Then twist to another side. Then again, slowly head up and upper hand straight here. Okay. So this is also same only, just you have to twisting. But if you can't able to twist properly from, or if you're not able to do from headstand, so I show you, you can do direct. See, I'm facing this side and mat is here. Then first I will twist to the right side, put my left shoulder to the right, then put my right elbow to the right hip, spread the finger, hands little more wider than the shoulder. Take it here. Then slowly I will lift up my hip up, elbow in, and slowly here. Then take it up here. If possible, you can drop your head down or here. Then again exhale down, inhale. Then I will take it to the twist to the left and take it up here like this. Okay. So if you can't try from direct from headstand, so you can try this. So you can again take your own time. I also try. Okay. You can start to practice. I also try slowly. Okay. Take it up. First I do this. Then twist to the right. Then upper hand leg up. Then again up and twist. Take it up. So you try to make it 3 times and hold it for a few seconds. Or if you feel my video is faster, so you can pause my video. Okay. So again, relax everyone. Again, also just again push your head up. Okay. Now we do a little relaxing. First, just straight the finger. Okay, leg straight. Relax the leg and relax the hand. Straight the finger. Okay, now take your feet together and move there. 1. Keep your back straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, relax everyone. So thank you so much everyone for joining this video, and again, if you're new on my channel, so please try to like, subscribe, comment that on which topic you want my next video. And if you're totally beginner or you are searching more videos like advanced back bend, advanced twisting, advanced hand balance, or any different types of class, so you can check on my playlist. I had already uploaded almost all the different types of classes, so you can check there. So thank you so much everyone for joining with me today. Thank you. Bye bye.